hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
Today we are going to learn something new than previous tutorial. It's about on Wonder Share Filmora 10 split transitions. Let's get started. Creating to this transition there are two steps. At the first, drag and bring your needed footage on the timeline. After bringing the footage in the timeline, trim the desired length of footage. Where do you want to put the transition effects? After completing the trim of footage, simply go to the transition menu. Then search the transition flip roll 3, and put it into the center part of both footages. After finishing this procedure, export the footage. Completion of the exports, we will delete the previous transition and adding new transition above the same footage, which is called Flip Roll 2. After putting this transition effects, similarly we do export the footage same as previous one. After finishing to the exports, we are importing to the both video clips in the timeline. When we bring it in the timeline, one clip we arrange on the top and another one is below on the next one. Then we will go to the Effect menu, inside Utility submenu that Crop Effects. After that, drag and drop the crop effects on top one video clip, then simply go to the settings and make it 50% crop from top layer. Now finally our transition is ready to use. Successfully we completed our first step. Now we have to move to the second step carefully. In the second step, same likewise the first step, select the video footage and trim it. Where do you want to put the effects? Finishing to the trimming of both video clips, select both pieces of footage, copy and paste on the timeline. Here also we have to go on the crop effects, then drag the crop effects and place on the top footage layer. Here we will use left to right transition effects. We are using left to right effects, that's why we will use here flip, roll 4 and flip, roll 1 transition effects. Due to using the left to right effect, we have to cut the transition also 50% from left and 50% right too.